Domestic violence is typically charged in either an assault or battery case, and it is charged where the alleged victim has a specialized relationship with the defendant. That can be someone such as a spouse, a girlfriend, a mother, a father, a child, a brother, a sister, someone like that. And the only thing that makes it domestic violence is that specialized relationship. Other than that, it's usually just a crime of battery or assault. A lot of people are confused on what a battery is and what an assault is. A battery is actually making contact with someone. It is defined as an unlawful touching. An assault is putting someone in fear of receiving an immediate battery. So if I act like I'm going to hit you, but I don't actually hit you, but you think I'm really going to hit you, that's an assault. Those are the differences between assault and battery. When a battery or assault is also charged as a crime of domestic violence, it basically enhances the possible penalties. So for example, a simple battery but charged as a domestic violence, instead of carrying up to 6 months in jail, will carry up to 1 year in jail. The same thing for a felony charge. An aggravated battery, instead of being a 4th-degree felony, can be a 3rd-degree felony. One of the more frightening things about being charged with a crime of domestic violence is that in the United States, a crime of domestic violence is a registrable offense. And what that means is there's actually a registry of domestic violence offenders, and you can be placed on it if you're convicted even for a misdemeanor crime of domestic violence. Some of the problems that can arise from being convicted of a crime of domestic violence is that it's one of those crimes where even if it's a misdemeanor, if a background check is done on you for employment purposes or really any other type of purpose, it's something that'll be a red flag to anyone who's looking at you for a security clearance, a job, or anything of that nature, because it's a frightening charge to people when they see a crime of domestic violence. Many people have the misperception that an alleged victim can simply have the charges against a defendant dropped. That's just not true. The alleged victim is not the one who has brought the charges against a defendant. It is the state who is bringing the charge against the defendant, and the state who will determine whether or not those charges will be dismissed. When we have a client who's charged with a crime of domestic violence, we do everything we can to get that charge either dismissed or reduced to something other than a crime of domestic violence. If you'd like to talk to me about your domestic violence charge, you can fill out an online case evaluation on this page or call our office for an appointment.